pinch the screen and zoom it in.
Continuation of non-financial advice for the love of the family. Um, let's see, where were we?
Did you tell Kia and them to rejoin? They probably like, I'm done. Let's see, we back on.
Oh, you're gonna go sit down because you were not participating. You were rapping.
But so what's so cool about this is like I can actually show y'all like with like it's simulated.
Hmm.
Will you want to say hi?
Who's
Let
that,
me see
Taylor?
Cleo. Let me
Oh,
see her.
Cleo.
Let me see her.
I want to see her.
Yeah.
I want to see her.
I
Chan.
can't see. Hey, Cleo.
Cleo, look. We got bacon.
Hi,
Bacon.
Cleo.
She's not gonna. She has to.
She's like,
Cleo.
what's going on? Look at
If
us,
she,
Cleo.
hey, Cleo. Look.
She like, I
Look at
heard a
me talk
voice.
to her like the child. Lord Jesus got me on this podcast sounding crazy as hell.
Look at Chan. Chan started talking about, I want to say hi.
Cleo,
Hi.
you about to have you
What'd you
about to
say?
have
Mhm.
uh auntie.
A play date.
A play date with who? You?
No,
She
Cleo.
gonna have an auntie.
Who?
Not you.
Cleo, I'm gonna get a dog.
Oh, wow.
And she's gonna have an uncle.
But so yeah, what are the questions?
Well, no,
Um,
I wanted you to make sure you were done before we just Zoom just interrupted and ended it. Just do a recap, like
Oh, I was asking y'all.
bullish
Okay, so uh yeah, so when do y'all want to buy?
when it's low.
Price is low.
Okay, when do y'all want to sell?
when it's high, make a profit.
Right, right. So in y'all head, when do y'all like what's enough profit to y'all? Do y'all have like a target? Like
My investment
what
is
like when
so
you go to the
low.
casino, when are you gonna be done?
Well, I don't even go there no more, so
Right,
I
I
But
get.
no, like you went to the casino. Did you go when like you had like, okay, I'm gonna play and win this much. If I win, I'm done. If I lose this much, I'm done.
Yeah, my lose be like $20. I don't like I be low. I'm not, but that's a casino.
yeah, that's the
That's a
casino.
you lose it, you
Mm-mm.
walk away. It ain't no potential of you getting that
But
back
that's
unless
how
you sit
people
there
see
and
the
lose
stock
more.
market too.
I
It's like a
know.
casino.
Yeah.
Hmm. I know Jackson. He do like 20%. Like that's his cutoff. If he win 20 or he bet whatever. Okay, he get in and he after he makes 20%, then he get out.
He get out.
Yeah, just to be on the safe side because I don't know if it's gonna drop again.
Yeah.
Mm.
Hmm.
Yeah. I just been getting used to it, trying to
Yeah.
see how things go,
Yeah,
you know.
he's still a beginner, so 20% is a
Yeah.
safe
You don't want
stopping
to
point, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, when I hit I don't know. I just don't want to take money out right now because I just want to let it ride. But it's not a lot
Yeah.
of
And I want
money
to
that
get
I have
used to
invested
it.
right now. So it's not like,
Hmm.
I'm making huge profits. I'm just seeing how they go up and down. Like today I'm down $10.
Yeah.
9%.
All right, so let me pull up my screen again. Y'all can see that.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So this is a little simulation. Let me get rid of this. All right. So y'all remember that little zone? The red was up here, the green was down here.
Yeah.
So the top of this zone is going to be my stop loss. That's what I'm willing to lose. The bottom is what I'm hoping to win. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So price is right here now. I'm going to enter for a sell. Do y'all see that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's the amount?
Oh, I can't see that. Hold on.
It's $245 to lose and $244 to win.
To win.
So
Yeah.
I'm risking 1 to 1. This is a 1 to 1 risk ratio. Win to reward. I mean, risk to reward. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So let's play it forward. So you see, I'm in profit, right?
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
up $28.
Now well, you still in profit.
But hold on, when do we get in this trade?
When?
The market will be closed at this time, but
Oh, I see the time now.
no,
Mm-hmm.
that's PM. You're right. It's PM. So as you can see, as you can see, stop. This is how the market moves up and down, up and down. So I could have got out right here if I wanted to for a good profit, $210. Are y'all content with $210?
For
Yeah.
like the long term or for a day? Are we day trading?
I mean, this is at noon. Noon to
I
what?
don't know. I'd probably stay in it.
Oh, this is Ethereum. Yeah, this is 24. I don't know why I'm thinking it's a stock. So
Oh,
you
okay.
said what?
Hmm.
Well, I consider myself a day trader, so I don't really like to hold stuff like that. But I like to scalp, get in and get out.
Get out.
Yeah.
So that's what I do. So like me, that's why I have 1 to 1s. So like you see this
Mm-hmm.
red zone right here? This will
Mm-hmm.
be another zone, another trade. Uh, as I caught this big zone. Bang, won that one. I could have entered this one. Are y'all seeing it?
Yeah.
So I started from this bigger zone.
Mm-hmm.
This is from February 28th, the high of March 2nd, and they broke it March 3rd. So this is a span of a week and a half. Play it. Bang, we won.
You
Two
got to
hundred,
that.
$244. Bang.
Dang.
Mm.
Just off that one. Okay, now let's readjust. Let's hide some of these drawings. So, as y'all can see, these are the higher time frame zones. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now we're gonna wait and see if price breaks that low with a what?
What you say?
We're gonna wait to see if it breaks the low with a what?
With the what?
Is it gonna be the low?
A what?
Lower low.
A body closure below the low. Not
Oh, okay.
okay, not a wick. And it has to be a strong body closure.
How you tell the
Okay.
difference between a strong and a weak one?
Like okay, so the like if it's a weak close, these wicks, I'm about to blow your mind some more. Hold on. These
Ah,
wicks,
so,
you know what these wicks are?
Mm-mm.
These wicks are bodies on the lower time frame.
like
Oh,
people?
no, candles, body candles.
What the fuck?
I don't want to lose all this, but let's see.
There I zoom all the way in to be able to even see the wigs. But I see them now.
So hold on, let me go back to the 15-minute. Let me just use this wick as an example. This green body wick.
I don't see nothing.
That one at the bottom, the last one?
Oh, now I see it. I was gonna say I didn't see nothing.
You see how that long wick?
I see the
Linda?
line. You keep moving.
Nah, this yellow
I
box
see
that
the
I drew. Look,
yeah.
All that long, okay.
it came from it's these wicks that are left behind are zones. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Go down to the 1 minute. So leftover zone. Price came down, went up, and came back and closed within this previous low. It manipulated, closed back within, and pushed up above the last high. So
Okay.
it's a zone, right?
Mm-hmm.
Why's my thing not? Okay. Now I see.
Even though I caught it late, but this would not be a good trade. You caught it late, let it go.
Mm-hmm.
$8 risking 18. That's not a good trade. So let's see what happens. Bang. Y'all saw that, right?
Yeah, it went up.
Yeah.
So that wick that was left behind was a zone. So the wicks can be zones too. You just gotta know how to use them.
Excuse me.
Mm, okay.
But anywho, let's go back. So we have this low now. Let's play it forward. See what happens.
It went lower.
What the heck? But what? We didn't get a body closure yet. You see?
Mm-hmm.
So you may think it's going to continue to go lower because you got this long wick,
Mm-hmm.
but it pushed right back up. So now we're in between this high and this low. But if this low puts in a new high, guess what? This low now becomes a protected low. So let's see. Oh, what the? Oh, it's real time. Oops.
It's not a not a simulation.
There y'all have it then. Um,
Mm.
now I can go back to it. Let me see. All right, so this is, oof. So we got this high, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we were in an uptrend, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We came from down here. This is June of 23. Down here, all the way up here. We're in an uptrend. So let's start from the very beginning. Remember, how do we start?
What you mean how we start?
You pull up a chart. How do you start?
You look at the candles, the wicks.
Okay, but what are you gonna like look for? What are you gonna read? What are you gonna be like? What's your
Or
indicator of it's a trend? What kind of trend is it in?
look
The
at the lines, the highs
the
and lows.
the highs and lows, the higher highs, lower lows, and then you're gonna
Okay,
look to see if it's, you
so
know,
It's
look.
actually trending upward.
I'm gonna do it like this. Let's do squares. So look, let's just focus on this time frame.
Starting at 5.
Okay, so
Look at 17.
you see this?
Mm-hmm.
High, low. We get a body closure.
Mm-hmm.
High, low.
and now that's in a range, right? Or no?
No.
No, because I can't even hardly see it. Let
This
me
is
zoom
more
in
So
on
of
my
a, this
phone.
is, so high, low, high, low, high,
Right.
low. We get a
No.
break. So this is the high.
give me a
This is the
motion.
high. This is the low. Okay. This low broke this high with a body closure. So now this is the high. Now this is an example of a range. This low and high. Price is just playing around in the middle of it.
Mm-hmm.
Then price wicks down, makes you think we're going lower. But what happened? Price did not close with a body.
Oh, okay.
So we continued and pushed higher. We got a body closure right here. Okay. So high, low. Okay. Then we got this high and this low. Example of another range, high, low. Playing around in between. Then we took off. So this low is still good. It's still valid. We come in and put this high. But remember what happened. We don't want to buy up here, right?
Mm-hmm.
We
Mm-hmm.
want to wait until price comes back. Come back to what?
Come back to a what? A body close? I mean, a body
Our
open?
zone that it just left behind.
Oh, okay. So it got to be higher than the
Because
zone.
so look, remember that line that y'all were talking about?
Yeah. Where's okay? Going back and forth. Going back and forth.
Remember that?
Yeah. Hold on. I got to go back out.
So price created a zone. It consolidated in the zone and made a range, played around. It took off. Most people like to buy when it breaks out right here, think it's going to continue to go higher and higher, higher. But what
Mm-hmm.
happens? It goes
It goes
down.
right
Got
back
back
down.
down.
So I'm going to wait for price to come back at lower prices. I'm not going to buy up here. I'm going to wait for lower prices. Read the candlesticks, read the market structure, look for my entry, wait for my zone. It hit my zone. Bang. I got a fixed take profit and stop loss already. The top of the zone is the take profit, the bottom is the stop loss. And what happened? We won. So now,
Mm.
this low put in this high. We are in a range. We are now in between this range of this low and high. We're playing around. Let's see what happens.
Didn't it go in? It went high, then went in another range, didn't it?
It's yeah, but so we're still in this overall this higher time frame range.
Yeah.
This range is from it was set on June 16th and June 17th, the high and the low of the range, and we're still stuck in it from June 19th.
Mm.
So this is 3 days of playing around. And they made you think we're going lower. Oh, wait, come back up. Let's get you out right here. Okay. But look, as you can see, what did price do? It created another zone.
Mm.
I'm gonna have to study this. I'm gonna have to go get me a book. Seriously.
So look, so look, I'm just reading price. This high, put in this low, or this high, low. This low broke this high with a body closure. Okay. I'm not gonna buy it because I see this big green candle and hope it's gonna continue to go higher. I'm gonna wait and see what happens. What happened? Price came back. It pulled back into what? My zone.
Zone.
I have a fixed take profit and stop loss already. Enter it, bang. What happened? We win.
Went back up.
Now you're not gonna win every one. That's where this is a whole nother thing to this. But this is the basics, trailing your highs and your lows. So this low broke this high and put in this one, and this high put in this low. So what are we
Mm-hmm.
in?
You're in a down. Well, you're in a down. Well, range, right?
We're
You
in
in
the
the
range of
range.
the last previous high and low. We're in a range. So let's see what happens.
You went down again. Oh wow, it shot all the way
Oh,
up.
it shot up.
So look, now what happens? What does this now become?
The zone.
Right. This becomes our new zone. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna wait. We're gonna see what happens. We're gonna wait and see if price comes back to our zone. If it does, what are we gonna do? I won't let me
Sell.
go ahead and do it, but we're gonna enter
If it
for a
come back in
buy.
our zone,
Yeah, if it come back in our zone, we're gonna enter for a buy. Now what just happened? What just happened?
It shot up again. It
So
broke
price
it.
created
That's created a
another
whole nother
zone.
zone. Yeah.
mm-hmm,
Okay. Now what you see the difference between these zones? The sizes?
mm-hmm,
These are different time frames. So if I go from here, from this high and low, this zone, from the time it took it till it was broken, 7 hours.
wow.
Let's go to this one. This high and low, this zone. This is one day. We played around for a day.
Mm,
Okay. So let's continue to go. Bang. We create another one.
Another zone. Yeah.
So now, are we gonna buy every zone?
I would say no.
Right. So why? So as you can see, price is moving higher and higher and higher. If we continue to buy, yeah, we may win, but at some point it's gonna go back down.
And then you'll be
mm.
losing if you kept
So that's
buying
that's a
it.
whole nother gem that I ain't gonna release yet. But and once again, this is not financial advice. I learned all this on YouTube from a guy called Dave Teaches.
Follow Dave Teaches. Dave Teaches, if you see
And
this.
he's sharing the knowledge with family.
And I don't even know all the stuff he knows. Uh, yeah. But look, so we're still creating zones. So we're still in the uptrend. You see that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So look, this is an example. We're in an uptrend. Okay. Although I could have drew that better, but oh well. So let's continue to go forward. So we're in an uptrend until what though?
I would say till you get some type of close
Below what?
below the last lowest low.
The last protected low.
Oh,
So
okay.
a low does not become protected until it puts in a new high with a body closure. Bang. We got a strong body closure. Bang. The low's now right here. It puts in this high. This high puts in this low. This low is not protected until we get a body closure. So the last protected low is still down here. Are y'all watching how price is walking up these lows?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Steady
You
going up.
now, so if you pay attention, at some point it's gonna walk it really close. Why is it gonna walk it really close?
Because it's
Mhm.
It's gonna
going
have
in
to
the
reverse at some point,
You mean go back down? Or have
right?
to go back down?
So look, we're just trailing our highs and lows. That's literally all we're doing. Trailing our highs and lows. Matter of fact, what did I used to use? This. That's all we're doing. Trailing our highs
Wait, don't get nothing else to drink.
and lows. Y'all see them little basketballs?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So all we're doing is trailing our highs and lows. Now let's go forward. We get another zone. Price is still in the uptrend.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. But as you can see, there's little highs and lows in between here. Y'all see that?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
This on a lower time frame. So as I just said, price is literally walking up
Yeah.
the lows, because we just got a what? A body closure. This high comes back into what? What did it make?
Another range.
Another zone.
Another zone. So
That's what I meant. My
if we
bad.
wanted to enter right here, it's risky. It might get ran through, but let's see what happens. We're risking $8. Let's do it. We lost it. Okay.
That
Real
quick.
quick.
But what does that show you?
That quick.
What does that
That
show you?
It at a certain point it gotta go back down. It gotta do a
Exactly.
reverse.
So our odds were more likely waiting for price to get back to a lower area, a lower zone. Remember I had
Mm-hmm.
this marked out?
Mm-hmm.
We marked this out what, like 5 minutes ago. Let's wait for price to get even lower and see what happens. We can still buy it here. Why? Because this zone is bigger. The smaller zones are more likely to get ran through. Okay, but now let's pay attention. We're still trailing our highs and lows. So this high, low. It broke. So now this is the protected low. Now we broke this low with a body closure. What happened?
A new zone.
Let's
I
see.
can't.
But now it's on the downward trend.
For now, let's see what happens. So you see how we took that loss up here? If we would have waited and got in right here, we would have been in some profit. We could have been done for the day.
Mm.
See how more reliable the bigger zones are?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, that doesn't mean the bigger zones you're gonna get all the way to the take profit or you're gonna lose whatever. You just gotta reprice, have a daily take profit and stop loss. But keep going. See how price is just playing around, toying?
Yeah.
Bang. We buy right there, we would have won. We would have got out right here if we would have sold. But look, what happened? What did price just do? Y'all weren't even paying attention.
It
What you
what? It
mean?
went.
I know, but look, what did it just do? It's about to create another zone.
Oh.
So look,
From the dip. Oh
Oh,
wow.
so now that it's a larger zone too, is within that zone.
so now we're in this range between this high and low. We're bouncing around. Let's see if we get a body closure above this high.
It's still playing.
It broke it. Oh well, it went up a little bit, then back down, up,
This is
down.
a Friday and this is a Monday. We played around a whole weekend.
Right.
A whole weekend. But look though, what would have happened if we would have waited and not took this trade up here and took this trade down here? Bang, we got paid.
Mm-hmm.
If we want to enter again, you could have. That's risky. We got paid again. But look, let's see what happens. Now prices, this becomes the highest point that broke the most recent low, protected low. Now this becomes the zone. If price wants to continue to go lower, it'll come back up, retest this zone, and break this low that it put in. If it wants to go higher, it breaks this high, and this becomes the new protected low.
Mm.
So what just happened? It broke it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So you remember this? Now, let's see what happens. We're in. We won.
Mm.
Did y'all see how quick that was?
Yep.
M right here. So it would have been this right here, Miku. Hold on. Stop. So look. M right here. And a little drawdown. But guess what? Pricing got us out.
Yeah. It went down a lot.
So I drew this line. That was that black line.
Mm-hmm.
That's where I would have got in.
Mm.
Okay. But as you can see, price is still, we're in between this low. This was the low from last week and this high. We're playing around from an overall bigger and higher time frame. This is how to read price on multiple time frames.
I'm
So
gonna,
you said what?
I'm gonna have to study. I am.
Me too. All of us.
Watch
But so
like
if
watch more videos on the candlesticks, definitely.
okay, y'all want to do candlesticks? We can do
No,
that.
I'm saying like watching how to like I really need to be looking at candlesticks and not the graph view that I've
We
been
can't go
looking at.
down to can't go down to that time frame. Candlesticks. All right. So for instance, let's review again. You got this point is the highest point.
Mm-hmm.
Low. Okay, these are wicks. High, low. We get a break with a body closure. You see this? This body, this candle, this big green candle.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Broke it with a body closure. It closed right here. Now, what did it do? It opened up and wicked and came back and closed. It opened up, wicked,
Mm-hmm. And then
closed.
close right there.
Open, say it with me, or say it for me.
Wicked.
Wicked.
No, like say it opened, pushed up,
Mm-hmm.
it
Oh,
came
okay.
back, pushed down,
Down.
and closed
Closed.
back inside. So this is the last